Suppose company revenue grows from $350,000 in year 1 to $600,000 in year 7. Now I project company revenue for the first 7 years by using linear trend option. By using linear trend option, revenue will be inserted between starting value to ending value. Active cell reference E13. Type $350,000 in this cell. First enter $, then type $350,000. Press enter key. So revenue of first year grows from $350,000. Active cell reference K13. Type $600,000. First enter $, then type $600,000. Press enter key. This is the starting value of revenue and this is the ending value of revenue. Now I insert values of revenue from year 2 to year 6. First select these cells. In Home tab, Editing group, click Fill arrow button, click Series. The Series dialog box opens. In Series group, check the Rows option. This option is already checked. In Type group, check the Linear option. This option is also already checked. Then check the Trend box. Excel will fill the blank cells with the revenue values within the same row using a linear trend, and it will interpolate values between the starting and ending values. Click OK. Select these middle values. These values are called interpolated values because these values are between starting and ending values. So the values inserted by using linear trend estimates the company future revenue from year 2 to year 6. I have interpolated the company future revenue from year 2 to year 6 using a linear trend. These values grow by a constant amount of each year. Subtract the value of year 1 to the value of year 2. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. The difference between these two values is $41,667. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference G13. Enter subtraction operator. Click cell reference F13. Press enter key. The difference between these two values is $41,667. Once again enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter subtraction operator. Click this cell reference. Press enter key. Once again, the difference between these two values is $41,667. These values are constant. So by using linear trend, constant amount of each year is inserted between a starting value to an ending value of projected revenue.